Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I have a little bit of a different video for you than I normally do on this channel. So it's going to be a glute and leg quick 10-minute workout, and I'm throwing in a few little yoga sequences here and there so you can opt into those if you wish. But if you're ready, hop onto your back and begin to windshield wipe the legs just to warm them up a little bit. So how this is going to work is we're going to do 30 seconds on for the first exercise and 10 seconds rest, then every other exercise will be 40 seconds. So the first exercise is hip thrusts, so bring those feet next to the glutes and begin. Really engage the glutes as you thrust upwards and hold for maybe a brief little half of a second. Good, 10 more seconds. Nice, lower it back down, 10 seconds rest. We're gonna turn onto one of our sides and just add a few little leg abductions here. Make sure you have a nice base on those hands and on the hip. And begin. Raise that leg up towards the ceiling. Keep it going, keep it controlled. Try and isolate the movement just to that leg. Keep the pelvis stable. Halfway there, you got this. Good, 10 seconds rest. Next up, we're going to do some hip thrusts, so get back down on your back. And begin. Keep the tension in those glutes, almost done. Squeeze at the top. Good, 10 seconds rest. And we're gonna go for the hip abductions on the other side. And begin. Try and keep stable in that upper body. Isolate that movement to the outer hip. Good, halfway there. Nice, 10 seconds rest. So if you feel like adding some yoga to this, come into that down dog, then walk between the hands, halfway lift, and rise up to mountain. Next up is squats. Get those feet hip width distance apart. If you feel like it, you can add a pulse at the bottom of the squat, but try and keep the tension on the glutes, so not thrusting the hips forward at the top. Keep that tension throughout the whole movement. Good, almost done. Nice. Nice. Feel free to take that vinyasa flow or just meet back in down dog. So this next one, we're going to come into our tabletop position and hover the knees. So when you're ready, enter that position, then raise the right leg up, and we're going to add some donkey kicks. So this one is killer. So if you need to, bring that other knee to the mat, but really try and push yourself here. Keep it going. You'll feel it burning in that left quad. Really kick that right leg up. Keep the form. You got this. Hold, hold, hold. Get the leg up as high as you can. Keep that core engaged. 5 more seconds. Good. Take a break. You come into down dog for a rest. Alright, here we go on the other side now. Come forwards back into that hovered tabletop. Lift the left leg and start kicking. Isolate that kick just to the glutes here. Try not to let the lower back dip. Keep the core strong. You got this. Fight through it. If it feels like too much, bring that right knee to the mat, but really try and push yourself here. Halfway there. Good. 10 seconds rest. Nicely done. Come to the top of the mat, halfway lift, and rise all the way up to mountain. Next up, we have lunge kicks. So here we go. Step that right foot back and try and kick it forward. You can take a little second to get that balance back in your lunge. Try and hold the body strong. Press through that supporting left foot. You got this. Take it as slow as you need. And done. Nice. Side lunge rainbows now, so bring those feet wider than your hips, and we're gonna squat to each side. Starting in 2 seconds. Go for it. Try and stay low if you can. Keep the tension on the muscles. Halfway there. Nice. 2 more seconds. And step to the opposite side of your mat now. We're using that right foot to support and kicking with the left leg this time. So lift that left leg up. Step it back. And begin to kick. Again, keep yourself strong and stable. Really press into that right leg and foot. Keep the core strong. Feel free to take a second to come back to that lunge. Five more seconds. Nice rest, and we'll do a few more side lunge rainbows. So bring those feet out wide. Here we go. Get ready. And begin. Stay low. Good, almost done. Nice. We're gonna come down onto the back. Turn onto one of your sides. Don't do what I'm doing here. And we're gonna go for a few inner thigh lifts just to work the inner thighs. So bring the top leg over the bottom and then lift that bottom leg up. Really try and work that inner thigh. So isolate the movement, engage the inner thigh. Keep that core tight, keep everything else strong. Nice, 10 more seconds. Good. Rest here and swap to the other side. When you're ready, lift that bottom leg up, top leg over the bottom. I have no idea what strange shape my foot has taken here. Keep that engagement on the inner thigh. You got this. Five more seconds. Good job, we're done. But let's stretch it out a little bit first. So feel free to finish here or stretch those well-worked legs out. So bring the right leg in, place the left leg over the right thigh and the hands over the right shin or under the right thigh. Come into that eye of the needle stretch. Nice, swap sides. Right leg over the left thigh. And interlace those hands either over the shin or under the left thigh. Nice, release. We're gonna do one little seated forward fold here for a final little hamstring stretch. So just lean down towards those legs, try and find length in the lower back. Bring that heart rate down, make those exhales nice and long. And we'll finish here. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this. I had a lot of fun making this video, so let me know what you thought of it in the comments. And maybe I will do more like this in the future. See you next time.